Okay, this is your mechanic Kuya TJ. We have the Radium Engineering oil catch can for the GR Corolla, and here. So in the manual it says if there's a little mesh thing in here, you take it out, but there's nothing, so we're good. And yeah, that's the catch can. Okay, after you open the hood, first thing is take out the engine cover. Okay, now we have to retread these because it's covered in paint. So we use a 6x1 millimeter, and yeah. Okay, now we're gonna install the bracket mount for the oil catch can. It's with the provided 10 millimeter bolts. And now we put the oil catch can in this tight fitting area, and make sure we align the nozzle outward towards the back. Okay, after the catch can is installed, we add the top nozzle on top, this nice pretty thing. And then to tighten it, use a 6 millimeter Allen, and then point the nozzle back and tighten. Now it's time to remove the hoses from the top, and also the same one that's connecting to the other side. And with this hose, we will still use it, but we will cut it. Okay, using the OEM hose still, we have to measure where to cut, so I mark it and know the length to cut the hose. Okay, after we cut it, we we put it back with the provided attachment to the other side connected to the old catch can. And yeah, it should snap on like a nice little click. Okay, now for the top hose, we put it through the wire one side, and then we attach the attachment to the catch can, and then we just plug it in. So in this section, there was like a little pinch in the hose. I didn't like it. I had to play with it. I had to pull back the hose back, and then there's no more pinch. But anyways, that's pretty much it. You put back the cover and you're done. Ta-da!